All right, so what we have here is our Pexco City Post, the glue down version that we'll be installing. We'll go over the installation procedures. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna flame treat the bottom of the area that will be adhering to the ground. So we'll go ahead and grab that torch. What we do here is we just like to get a nice even burn pattern just around the edge of where the epoxy will be going. Okay. And all that's doing is burning off any impurities that will be on the base of this, so that way we get a good secure bond to the asphalt or surface that we'll be bonding to. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and blow the surface with our blower, make sure it's nice and clear. Extra debris on the ground. Go ahead and get the sonotube set in place. This is great for knowing exactly where the placement of the epoxy needs to be. So go ahead and set this. For example, we want the post right there. We're going to go ahead and put the epoxy on the outside layer, and we'll show this when we install that. So we have our epoxy, a two-part epoxy machine. We're gonna go ahead and just start applying epoxy. We're gonna do about 10 to 12 ounces. Right here where we'll get that a little mixed. And then we'll lift that up. And we're gonna go ahead and just set the post down. You don't need a push, you just set it down. And as you can see, you'll have all these little holes. And that's where you know you have a good bond to the post. And we're all set.